Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment in DFW, Texas, and today we are excited to announce our partnership with C Electric. C is an electric powertrain platform, and this chassis here is the M5, which is on a Hino, a proven platform. Now this has a 19.5 GVW and is paired with a 20-foot box and a liftgate. It has a range of 140 miles and is perfect for inner-city deliveries. Now these units specifically, when we're talking about C, are going to be using AC chargers, which can be purchased through ChargePoint. Now if you are interested in adding one of these electric vehicles to your fleet, reach out to us directly and we can help you with grant funding, tax credit, charging infrastructures, and the vehicle purchase. Please call the number below or visit us at iptruck.com. Thank you and have a great day.